Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. Let's continue with some exponent properties. I call these level 3 because they're much more complicated. We're going to need to be able to simplify these, so come on, let's do it. Okay, so look at this first one right here. This is the square root. Do you see how there's two terms? My suggestion to you is to first rewrite it to the 1/2 power, okay? Because square root means 1/2 power. So watch how I'm going to do this. I'm going to do 64x squared to the 1/2. I'm going to do it for all of them so you can see the consistency, and then I will break them down. Square root again. So we're going to put the whole thing in parentheses and raise the whole thing to the 1/2 power, and I'll teach you what to do. So see how this is cube root? So that means 1/3 power. Okay? Fourth root means 1/4 power. Fifth root means 1/5 power. See where I'm going there? So now this is going to become 27x to the 5th, y cubed to the 1/3. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to apply that power to each term, like this. You're going to break it up. So I'll do it in a different color. So we're going to do 64 to the 1/2. X squared to the 1/2. Okay, 64 to the 1/2. You do have a calculator on this test, or in general. But anything to the 1/2 power, you have to remember, anything to the 1/2 power is a square root. So the square root of 64 is 8. And now what do you do to these powers, two powers? You're just going to multiply them. So 2 times 1/2 is going to be 1. So this simplifies to 8x. Okay, watch this one. Give everything a 1/2 power. 81 to the 1/2. X to the 4th to the 1/2. Y to the 6th to the 1/2. Oops. You see that? You see that. 1/2 power means square root it. When you're doing a number, you're just going to square root it. It's 9. You can also just type that into your calculator. See that? 4 times 1/2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then y to the 6th to the 1/2 is going to be y cubed. Okay, so this last one. Give everything the 1/3 power. So 27 to the 1/3, x to the 5th to the 1/3, y cubed to the 1/3. You're doing the cube root of 27, which is 3. When you're doing a power to a power, you're just multiplying that. So 5 times 1/3 is 5/3. And then 3 times 1/3 is just going to be 1. And that's it.